What you doing?
Trying to find a scrub brush. I guess I'll just scrub it by hand. Making breakfast though. Bacon and eggs, breakfast of the champions.
What you doing?
Whatever the man tells me to do.
This is my dad, Norman. He decided to come out and help us. So we went to go get water. We went to go get water at the lodge. We filled this thing up to the brim. It was perfect. It was awesome. It was affordable. And then as we're headed back, I started seeing water just sloshing out, soaking everything, keeping the dust down on the roads. But this thing just split. We bought this IBC tote used. We've left it out in the sun. That's my fault. We really need a UV-proof tote. But there's still probably, I don't know, 250 gallons in there. It'll last us. What you doing?
Getting some links of pump, filter, and I'm gonna go back for the battery here. That's just got charged up from the generator. I'm gonna bring this over here to the water reservoir, plug it up, and start pumping. Pump it up. So we'll get this hooked up, get a link from that jug to this reservoir, and we'll have some water to the trailer for the foreseeable future. So we finally got it all hooked up. We got our filter running from our water tank, our water transport from the back of the truck. Get the water pump hooked up to our battery over here. That thing was heavy to move, but it's worth it. And the hose going directly into this water reserve. And we're just having a fun time, filling up.
So Shane, as we're waiting for this to fill up, right?
Yeah.
What's your favorite thing that we've done so far? Favorite project, favorite accomplishment?
That's hard to answer, honestly. I suppose these new French doors that we just installed, I'm really excited about closing up the house, and we're just one step closer. Now we're about to put the back door in, and yeah, I'm just excited to get it weatherproof. And they're wide open right now because it's such a pretty day. There's not much wind, but we just installed them. Got our steps here, got them wide open. And now we got Derrin and Dad working on the back door. So we're gonna seal that up. And yeah, that's the newest, most exciting thing in my life. Doors!
What you doing?
Reading the instructions so we can get that back door nice and perfect.
It looks like you're just sitting here reading the paper.
It's kind of hard to read. There's a few holes here and there, but
You know. So what you're saying is you're
Getting the
sitting
gist
here reading holy text?
And enter more, like I said, like right there, and it probably goes up. Pencil? Yeah. Use that one. No. You gotta look at the level, son. On mark. Well, I guess you can mark it
down
down.
a little bit more. Yeah, a little bit up. That looks good to me.
Well, then our line's fine. Okay, go ahead.
Like we said, we were an 8 off.
Yeah.
So what's going on?
It's quite a twisted board, and
Trying
I
to
think we're okay.
add some thickness here so we can fit this door. We got a 32 by 80 door with the rough opening of 82, and we're a little bit wide here, so.
Because I measured wrong.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
won't mention names. But we're scabbing this on, and then we're gonna put that in put the back door in.
There you go. Perfect.
I put my mask on.
All right, I guess we can do exactly the same thing. Still strong on both sides, probably.
What would you suggest, cameraman?
Yeah, you left or right-handed, you got to pull the guard back
Oh, yeah.
before you can do that. But yeah,
Yeah, I don't know if I can do that.
go use your, yeah, there you go. Yeah. Put the guard down. Yeah, put the guard down first. You're not, get it nice and, put the front of the guard flush down first, and then use that as your pivot point. And get a ladder if you need to. Or be 6 inches taller.
Yeah.
There, 6 inches taller.
Ready?
Firewood. Top line.
Top line?
Yep. Whew. Dust is blowing right in my face. Yeah, I'm doing all this by taste.
It ain't gonna fall because it ain't all the way through.
That fell on the other one. Why is it not all the way through?
Saw's off.
Oh. Just that little bit of siding.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this little bitty saw.
Half inch.
Well, I need that cobalt one. Well, at least the sawdust doesn't stick to me.
Do you have a bigger saw?
Do I have a 110? Yeah. The cord saw.
We haven't run a cord yet.
No, yeah, that's pretty easy though.
Oh, you know what you can do? I'll bet you it's $20 you can hit that with a hammer and knock it out. It'll split that board out and it's just, you know what I'm saying?
Or just run it again without that. Never mind.
$20.
I was $20. I didn't hit it with a hammer.
Very nice.
This is a good blade.
Yeah, it is. I like that one.
Yeah. All right.
Now let's measure it again.
Yeah, let's measure it after we cut it.
Yeah, right.
More doors. So we just finished up the back door. We got it all shuttable. We put extra long screws in each of the strike plates to make sure if you want to bust in here, you're gonna need some sort of SWAT basher or something because we like our doors secure. We're gonna clear out these shims and insulate everything, put some trim up and make it look real nice and neat. I know it's a light store now, but we'll get it done, no problem.
What you doing?
Huh?
What you doing?
Taking a nap.
You what?
Taking a nap.
Taking a nap. Don't you got shit to do? Don't you got stuff to do? Well, we are blocking off the end of the rafters here. Take a look. The reflections make it look like it's leaking a lot more than what it is. It's not too bad, but those rafters, that Home Depot lumber ended up warping pretty friggin' bad. But, what's that expression? If you can walk across it, you can caulk across it, right? So we got Shane there on the outside lining everything up.
What's up?
And we're just going to continue these. We just got a few more on this side and then all the back side. But of course we have that catwalk right there. And the more I work up here, the more I realize maybe that shouldn't be a catwalk. Maybe that should be an entire floor. Maybe it's going to be an entire floor, I don't know. Probably not on this trip though. Like we might have enough lumber for it, but not 100% certain. But I think that's going to be floor. We have one side, I'm going to turn the camera around, completely blocked off. The rafters are totally blocked off. All the way down. Isn't that looking good? Got this back door installed. Not sure if I've shown that before, but oh man, look at that view. How cool is that view? Whew. That is beautiful.